everyone, this is ICOOH Andy. The behind me, the car is the BMW F95 X5M. This car with the V8 engine, the 4.4 turbos can provide 600 horsepower. 0 to 100 km per hour, only 3.9 seconds. It's the performance peaks. It's amazing performance. So this car is need the best brake performance for the braking. So let's see how it looks. Let's go. Okay. Today this car coming here is installed our CCD carbon ceramic brake disc. You can see it is installed by the OEM brake calipers, change the full set rotors, and with our C200 carbon ceramic brake pad. It's plug and play, perfect fitment. So if your car is the BMW G80, G87, G82, like the X5, X6 M Powers, if you want to upgrade your carbon ceramic brake disc, just contact our customer service, okay? Thank you so much. See you next time.